Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install and use the ChatGenie for ChatGPT Google Chrome extension. So you're gonna be able to access ChatGPT from your Google search results or from anywhere else you are browsing around the internet. So all you have to do is open up this Chrome extension page. I will also link the URL in the description below so you can also open it up. Then click on Add to Chrome here. It also works not just in Google Chrome but in Microsoft Edge, Brave or any kind of Chromium based web browser. Then once you have installed it to your web browser, all you have to do is sign in into your ChatGPT account. Then once you have signed in into your ChatGPT account, I will show you how to use this Chrome extension in Google search. As you can see, I have asked Google what is affiliate marketing, but let's rerun this Google search. And besides the regular Google search results, where we get search results related to the introduction to affiliate marketing, we also get this extension tool here, which is the ChatGPT tool here. And as you can see, the search query we added to Google will appear here. And if we click on Go, ChatGPT prompt will run to this question. So if we click on Go, as you can see, ChatGPT will also answer this Google search query we had. We can copy the ChatGPT answer to our clipboard or open this thread in ChatGPT. So as you can see, affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates. So it's a good answer from ChatGPT, and we didn't even have to open any Google search result page here. So we get a lot quicker answer. Another application of ChatGPT Chrome extension is when you are on any page. You don't have to be on Google, but any page. If you click on the extension icon here, on the ChatGenie extension icon, as you can see, the ChatGPT window will open up, and we're gonna be able to ask ChatGPT a question if we want to do that. So for instance, how to make money with affiliate marketing. Then click on execute, and ChatGPT will answer us how we can make money with affiliate marketing. And we didn't even have to open the ChatGPT website. So this is a great application of ChatGenie as well. So all in all, this is how to install, add and use the ChatGenie for ChatGPT Chrome extension to access ChatGPT in Google search or on any website really fast.